Okay, Karen, looking just fantastic. Looking really gorgeous. Page numbers. Still need some page numbers in here. Drop your page numbers in here. Don't forget odd number pages always go on the right hand side in any publication or book. So keep that in mind. Okay. There's one thing I'm thinking about over here now. I keep seeing this. I keep seeing that the head is kind of breaking that vertical grid and jumping over to the next column and presenting part of itself above the image. We see that in a couple of different areas here. And then it's right here. So, and then in the areas where we don't see it, I think the page looks really super clean. And because this encroaches on the image itself, I think it's creating kind of a weird stair step right here. And we can see that in other areas where it does the same thing. It kind of makes this kind of strange stair step here. So what I'm thinking, and try this and see if it works out for you, but maybe give us a double decker here on the headline. So maybe start the headline above there and break that headline up accordingly so that it's on two lines instead of one. See how that feels in terms of the page itself. Speaking of those headlines, we've got history of Olympics. Shouldn't this say history of Olympics in Denver, Colorado, instead of history of Olympics and Denver, Colorado? Because basically you're saying that the Olympics have been there before. So I think that would make more sense to say history of the Olympics in Denver, Colorado. A four-zone approach. This is such a lovely page. This looks fantastic. Same here. And then just see how the difference, you see the difference right here? There's not that strange step right there. So I'm really concerned about that area. So see what you can do with that. Try changing it and see how it feels. Okay, typography looks just phenomenal. Really, really nice work. You've got a nice touch with type, definitely. No question about that. So I don't see any widows, orphans. I think your rags are pretty clean. I want to go through the rags in a second, but I'm seeing really, well, actually, let's do it right now. Good. Excellent. Yeah, your rags look fantastic. No widows, no orphans. Good spacing, nice typographic mechanics in terms of the relationship between the scale of the headline and the subhead. Good spacing between the subhead and subhead and the body copy. Really nice kerning and creating a wonderful typographic color. Really nice job with your type. Gorgeous typography. Very, very good. Okay, phase 3. Still a little underdeveloped, Karen. I mentioned that yesterday, but I think that, I think you know that because you're saying watch this space, more to come. So I can't wait to see what you got. That's all I can really say right now without seeing your phase 3. More of that placement stuff. And I hope you have something. I'm sure you do, because what we're seeing here, the renderings are fantastic. I mean, the patch looks real, definitely. I forget what was here. What was here yesterday? There was something there yesterday. I can't remember what it was, and I forgot to mention, this is fantastic. This is really done very well. Execution is outstanding. Can't wait to see what you have in store for your phase 3 development items. But no, you've got a beautiful presentation here. Very, very clean, very contemporary, technically sound, very inviting, light on its feet. Just a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful job so far. All right, that's what I have so far. So let's see where you're going to go. All right, any questions? I'm right here. Thanks, Karen.